Yeah, please help
See
me.
how happy everybody is enjoying
Super
the salsa
happy.
party.
You need to join this.
Freedom is really good. Oh, chaka, 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 chaka. Woo-hoo! Good day, boys and girls. Welcome to Tithe Show, the show that's keeping it real way from Netherlands. It's fun, it's informative, it's charitable, and it's inspirational. Boys and girls, we're going to Amsterdam to join the celebration of 5th of May. I don't know how much you know about the history of the Second World War. Officially, the Netherlands was liberated on the 5th of May, 1945. So I'm on the train right now, going to Amsterdam to cover you some parties going on and talk to some people. This is your boy Tithe Samuel, here to bring you some nice show. Presenting Tithe Samuel show. We're gonna do a lot of publicity. Just arrived in Amsterdam and actually I have no idea where I'm going. I'll tell you the good thing to it. I'm gonna talk to some people. I'm gonna ask them where is the party at. First thing first, we're gonna check in. Awesome. You gotta be here to see it. But luckily you've got me to show you all that's going on. Yes. It's really lovely here. People are really having fun. It's amazing. Everybody's clapping. The party is awesome. I'm gonna join in the party right somewhere in the middle. Now we're turning. Woo! This way? Huh? Oh yeah. Woo! Oh yeah. Let's talk to some people, see how they experience it. How did you like the salsa?
It's very nice music.
What are we celebrating?
Today, we're celebrating Celebration Day.
Nice talking to you, man.
Yes, thank you.
Bye. So listen there, man, that's where the king laid his flower yesterday. You can see the flowers are still there. That's for the dead, for the fallen soldiers who fought during Second World War. And around 8 p.m. yesterday, there was the whole Holland stood still to remember those who died during the war. So these are dozens of flowers. If you could see behind me now is a soldier paying his respect. I'm right here with Fred. Fred, really nice to meet you. Coming here, watching you observing the flower, it just made me think about people who have served in the army, in armed forces to bring peace to the world. I would like to know what it means to you today.
Okay. I don't want to talk about peace, but I want to talk about choices. I served in Afghanistan and for 9 months. And the main purpose why I went to Afghanistan was about choice. The people in Afghanistan have got only one choice, and that's Taliban. And especially women, they've got only one choice, And I think living in the Netherlands and living in the Western European world is about choices. Isn't it great that you wake up every morning and you can put on the television channel that you want, open a newspaper that you want, you can love anyone you want, and you can choose from a political party, and that's freedom. You know, it's not only about peace, but it's about freedom. And I think freedom is the most important thing that we've got in the world. And I served now for 35 years in the Dutch Armed Forces. And yes, I'm proud. And yes, I'm not proud. But it's all about making your own choice. And sometimes, you know, I've got 2 daughters. And I don't always agree with their choice, especially about the boyfriends that they've got. But it's father and daughters. But it's their choice,
yes,
you know,
yes, yes.
and isn't it great to make choices every day and having the freedom every day?
Yes, that's true.
That's about peace. That's about freedom. Freedom is the most important thing that we've got in the world. So that's why I do my job, what I do.
Earlier you mentioned something about the flower.
Yeah, the white carnation.
Yes.
The white carnation in the Netherlands is almost similar as in the UK, the poppy.
Yeah.
And the white carnation was the symbol of resistance in the Second World War. And actually it was a German Jewish woman who flooded from Germany to the Netherlands. And she made the white carnation as the symbol of resistance in the Second World War. So the Dutch army embraced the white carnation as a symbol of resistance during the Second World War, but now it's the symbol of respect and recognition for veterans.
Yes.
Now I'm one of them, so that's the reason why I love seeing the carnation here.
So if I get you right, your message will be to the new generation about the choices they make.
Choices are the most important thing in the world. And again, especially women, women in Afghanistan have got only one choice. And one choice is not a choice. So enjoy your freedom, enjoy your choices that you can make. Every day you wake up, you've got new choices. And you need to embrace that, because embracing choices is all about freedom.
Thank you very much.
You're more than welcome, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.